Hey, yo.
Guys, welcome to a new video. I'm gonna get dressed. Okay, so my hair's messed up right now because of the wind, but I'm walking to my bus stop right now. My boyfriend! Noah, come and sit down by me right now. I love you, Noah! I'm going to Home Depot. I'm going to Home Depot too. Home Depot. Why are you looking at me like that? Get out!
Why?
No, go sit in my
Ow! Why would you do that?
I want to suck my pee-pee! No, sit over here.
Can I sit over there now?
Go. Whatever you call me. I'm trying to call back George. Goodness. George is the hottie and I love it.
I opened it. I forgot.
I thought you were good. So nasty. I don't bleep and bleep you. You're not supposed to be cursing anyways at school, Caleb. You're welcome, Mr. Bob. Hey, little bees. You want to know something? I freaking love burgers.
Burger time.
Say hi, Mr. Paw.
Oh.
8th graders are freaking noobs. We're eating prison food because the food's really bad here. So, it's the end of school. End of the day. My eyes look pretty in this, sorry. 3 more days left and we're officially 8th graders. So, we just got off the bus. So, I'll vlog tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. And I'm vlogging until school is over, so I already showed you what I did yesterday. I'm just gonna get ready. Okay. So we're walking to the bus stop. What time is it?
7:24.
Lunchtime, kitty girls. We just got to lunch. We can't go outside because people like throwing things. Say hi, Addison.
No.
Hello, it's Marissa part of the vlog. Well, the fun part is gone. Goodbye. Hey guys. Hi guys. I didn't vlog a lot today because we didn't go outside that much and we could have our phones out. This is day 3. Ew, I look very tired.
I play Fortnite.
We're in the bathroom. Wait, Sierra, wait. We're going to the park. Sierra has Gucci slides on. Say in my vlog. Look it. Hi.
I've got no phones.
I'm vlogging, so.
Turning it in.
No, you're not. What's up, gang? She was hanging out with my boyfriend. She does not have a boyfriend. No, you do not. Do I keep my phone in here, Mr. B?
Yes.
I'm vlogging. You want to say hi to my vlog?
See what?
Hi to my vlog.
Your vlog?
Yeah.
I gotta take care of something real quick.